Hi. One of the things we want to do when we're playing pool is limit the travel of the cue ball. Let's say, for example, we had a shot that I had to pocket the 14 ball and play position for a break shot in straight pool on the 1 ball. And we'd want to be on this side toward the that rail of the 1. We don't want to cross the line here. Now watch what happens when I hit a rolling cue ball, just a soft rolling cue ball. I hit a very soft shot, and I barely, if anything here, got a break shot. I came straight, and the cue ball traveled pretty far. What I want to show you here is a kill shot. And a kill shot is, I'm going to hit this ball with low. You can even make it even harder, doesn't matter. I'm going to hit it with low, which takes the speed off the cue ball, and inside spin, which is going to hold it up off the rail. So we're adding slow down spin on the cue ball and slow down spin for the rail. That's low right, and we're going to put a nice stroke on it. We don't have to baby this, and I want you to watch the result. As you can see, I came up the rail further, and I have a perfect break shot on the 1 ball. And that's how you hit a kill shot.